Congratulations on the purchase of your Wertheim Evolution Max. Today, I'll be running through some tips on how to maintain your machine for optimal performance. After each use, you need to ensure that you are emptying and cleaning the canister and the cyclonic separator. You can click the quick release button here, or you can twist the whole canister off. While the dust canister is off, remove the cyclonic separator and give it a good tap out to get rid of any debris. For the best air quality output, we recommend that you regularly clean both HEPA filters. The HEPA 10 filter can be found above the dust canister. The HEPA 13 filter can be found behind the motor here. It's important to maintain both power heads as well as the mini motorized brush. We're going to start with the combination power head. To remove the roller brush, press the release button and gently remove it from the unit. Carefully snip away any hairs that might be wrapped around the roller brush. This is also a good time to check if there are any blockages in the neck to avoid loss of suction with your machine. Reinsert the roller brush and gently lock it back into place. This is the hard floor power head. Grab a 5-cent coin, insert it in this groove and give it a quarter turn. Same again with the mini motorized brush. Grab a coin, put it in the little groove, quarter turn and out it comes. If you experience any loss of suction from your machine, be sure to check over these areas again: the canister, the filters, the rod, and the power heads. We recommend changing your filters every 6 to 12 months. For replacement filters, pop into your local Godfrey's or visit us online.